What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment stock. Is it worth buying and holding an AMC Entertainment stock? And then we're going to talk about our favorite company, NIO. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today Unusual Whale made a tweet in which he's talking about the Spider-Man No Way Home continues snapped up 253 million in its opening weekend, the third best ever for cinemas. It also is the highest opening for a film in the pandemic. The way the Spider-Man No Way Home is going right now, I think this movie can make some record numbers for the AMC. These are all bullish news for the AMC Entertainment stock. The company is collecting a lot of revenues by these movies. We have few more very exciting movies coming this week. One of which is the Matrix Resurrection, which is getting released on the 22nd of this week. I'm a big fan of Keanu Reeves. Hopefully you are as well. I'm very excited for this movie. I've been excited about this movie from the beginning in the 1999 itself. This movie has been a blockbuster. This week we are having the fourth sequel to this movie, which is going to bring in the record breaking numbers in the revenue for the AMC Entertainment Company. I hope so you all are excited for the action that we're going to see in the Matrix Resurrection. We have all seen it in the past and I'm excited for this one as well. This is big for the entire company and especially for our AMC Entertainment stock. We are expecting some price action to be happening the following week, maybe not on a Monday or a Tuesday, a little bit more further into the weeks when there are going to be some numbers released regarding the Matrix Resurrection, as well as for the call option that expired in the money for the last week. They're going to create a significant upward momentum into the AMC stock. Now, we already know this is not a fundamental play, but it's good that the fundamentals are getting extraordinary. But we are hoping a short squeeze in AMC as well as GME. As we know, on Friday, JP Morgan came out and a short squeeze scenario that can happen at the end of the year just because of a broader market sell off. And with these over leveraged hedge funds, those who have a short position in AMC and GME, they might not have enough liquidity to support that short position. So they might get a margin call. And now when we come over the stock or tracker for AMC, we can see there are 118,015 contracts which are basically in the money for the expiration of 21st of January 2022, which can create a significant upward momentum in the stock if all these contracts expire in the money. The higher the stock price goes up, there will be more contracts coming in the money, which is a very extremely bullish sentiment towards the stock. Now, as for the last week, there were 72,462 contracts in the money, which means the next week that we are having in AMC, it can create a lot of buying pressure into the stock, which is an overall good sentiment for the stock. Now let's talk about, is AMC Entertainment worth buying and holding the stock? The answer to that question is yes. If you are holding an AMC stock, you need to understand that the implied volatility on AMC Entertainment stock is very high. So that means if you are holding the stocks of AMC, you can sell call option and collect premium for it. So it's like any other business out there. When you sell a product, you collect money for it. The same thing applies over here as well. When you sell a call option, you are selling your shares at a certain strike price that you are going to agree, and you will collect a premium for it. If the stock price doesn't reach to the strike price that you are selecting, then you will be just collecting the premium and you don't have to worry about selling your shares. I will give you an example in this video, but I want to make it very clear, I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you are responsible for your own money. The current stock price of AMC, the expiration date for this contract that I'm going to sell is going to be for the next week. You're going to sell one contract of call option at $34, which means you are selling 100 shares of your AMC Entertainment stock at $34. Okay, the quantity of the contract that we are selling is one. I've just taken a preview over here. What's going to happen if I go forward with this contract? And for this, I'm collecting $94.51. Now, this money is the premium that you have collected by selling your call. Just imagine if you have 200, 300, 400 shares. Every one contract is equal to 100 shares. So, for example, if you have 500 shares of AMC, you can sell 5 contracts. But over here, I'm selling one. So that's why I'm collecting $94.51 for a strike price of $34, which is going to expire next week. If the stock price goes above $34, I have to sell my shares at $34. That's what we have agreed to. And I will be collecting this premium. Now, with this premium, you can do whatever you want. You can cash it out, you can invest in buying options, whatever you want to do with it. You don't have to worry about giving it back if the stock price goes above $34. But if the stock price stay below $34, then you don't have to sell your shares for AMC Entertainment stock, and you will be also keeping your premium with you. You can make a lot of passive income on the side just by holding an AMC Entertainment stock. So if you have any questions regarding what I'm just explaining to you in the video right now, please leave it in the comment section below. Now let's talk about one of our favorite company, NIO, which is getting beaten down just because of the fear in the market regarding the delisting of Chinese companies on the New York Stock Exchange. Chinese electric car startup NIO reveals a new sedan and augmented reality glasses. Chinese electric car startup NIO second electric sedan, the ET5, is set to begin deliveries in September 2022, CEO William Lee said Saturday at the company's annual NIO Day event. Lee also announced a custom augmented reality glasses for the car that are made by the Nreal, a Chinese startup backed by NIO investing arm. On the global front, NIO plans to enter Germany and 3 countries in Europe next year, Lee said. So this is a very bullish news for the stocks. Usually what happens is after a NIO day, there is a little bit of run up in the NIO stock. So I bought some 2 call options which are going to expire the next week. I'm not betting heavy on it. It's just 2 contracts and very small amount of money that I'm betting. But usually what we have seen from the past is that the NIO stock gets a little bit of run up after the new days. And after these 2 bullish news regarding AR glasses and the ET5, I expect the NIO stock will have a little bit of run towards the upward side in the stock. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.